information on that front. Let's move on to some news coming in from Maharashtra right now. Police have uncovered a very gruesome murder case in Maharashtra where the body of a young man was found inside a blue drum, leading to the arrest of the victim's partner, who was a nurse, and her brother. Two other accused remain absconding in this case. The victim, 24-year-old Arbaz Khan, was allegedly killed after he demanded repayment of a loan. According to police, Arbaz left his home on April 3rd, saying that he was going to Mumbai for work but never returned, prompting his family to file a missing complaint. Investigators later traced his call records and mobile location, which helped crack the case. According to the police, the victim was tied up and brutally beaten to death with a PVC pipe. His body was then stuffed into a blue drum and dumped into a drain. Let's in fact listen into what the police officials have said on this.
हरीफ भाई प्लीज हाथ नीचे करो थोड़ा फ्रेम में आ रहा है.
तीन अप्रैल 2026 को मुमरा पुलिस स्टेशन क्षेत्र में रहने वाले अरबाज मुकसद अली खान ये घर में बोल के गए थे कि मैं दादर काम के पैसे लेने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी वो घर नहीं आए. इसके लिए उनके जो पिताजी है उन्होंने मुमरा पुलिस स्टेशन में मानव मिसिंग रजिस्टर की थी. उसका जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है वो पुलिस स्टेशन के PSI सावंत कर रहे थे. तो PSI सावंत ने उसके जो कॉल डिटेल्स है वो कॉल डिटेल्स निकाले. तो कॉल डिटेल्स का उन्होंने तांत्रिक विश्लेषण किया तो उसका जो लास्ट लोकेशन है वो वसई इलाके में दिखा रहा था. तो उन्होंने देखा कि उनकी जो प्रियसी है मेहजबीन, उसका भी लास्ट लोकेशन वसई इलाके में दिखा रहा है. तो उन्होंने मेहजबीन को पुलिस थाने में इंटरोगेशन के लिए लेके आए. तो उससे इंटरोगेशन किया तो उसने पहले कुछ बताने से इनकार किया, लेकिन अच्छे से इंटरोगेशन करने के बाद उसने ये पुलिस को कन्फेस किया कि उसका जो हस्बैंड है हसन और उसका भाई तारिक और उसके भाई का जो दोस्त है मुज्जुम पठान, उन्होंने फिरौती मांगने की से उसको वसई में बुलाया और उसका मर्डर.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Shweta Verma, who's joining us for more information on this. Shweta, this is a very gruesome murder that is in fact coming to the fore, and for the repayment of a loan, this victim was in fact beaten up, and then his body was stored in a drum and then dumped into a drain. What are the authorities saying on this?
Well, that's right, Shivani. In fact, once again, the nation is completely in shock with this drum case, and this is, of course, a gruesome murder. What started with some romantic sex ended in a brutal murder. This is to do with Mumra and Vasai. Remember, the body of the victim was found in the drum, and female nurse and her brother were arrested, and two are still absconding. To name two, one is accomplice and second one is, of course, the husband of this female nurse. As per the primary information, what we have sought through our police sources in Vasai and Mumra, we are getting to learn that 24-year-old Arbaz Khan, he was in fact murdered for the repayment of loan. Now remember, on 3rd of April, Arbaz left home saying that he's going to office for work, but he didn't return back. Post which his father in fact reached out to Mumra police station and filed a missing complaint. However, it was seen that the last location of Arbaz was said to be around the last location of this particular female nurse, who is also a friend of Arbaz. The female nurse is identified as Mahzabin. And later, when she was interrogated by police, initially she denied, but later on, with the stringent measures that were being taken by the police to ensure that somehow the statement would be correct, then she said that she, along with her husband, brother, and another man, lured Arbaz, and they took him to some secluded area in Vasai on the pretext of giving money. And then he was tied up and beaten to death with a PVC plastic pipe, and then the body was stuffed into a blue drum and thrown into a drain. This is again something very gruesome in nature, and in fact, while police was also trying to understand the case, The motive behind the murder is also established. The crucial evidences are also in place. Out of 4, 2 people have been arrested and 2 are still absconding in the case. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Shweta, for all those details. With that, in fact, viewers, we are in fact slipping into a short commercial.